Open this site bestchange.com. So you no need to register in the site. So these all are the coins. Left side is give coins, right side is get coins. Select the coin from give which you want to convert from, and select the coin from get which you want to convert to. So now I convert perfect money dollar to Tron. So now I selecting perfect money dollar from give. So and selecting Tron from get. Okay, now it's displays some exchanges. These all are the exchanges. All these exchanges are genuine and legit. There is no chances of fake and scam. Select any one exchanger from all these exchanges. So now I select one exchanger. So now I selected this exchanger. Now I want transfer $92 from my perfect money USD. So enter $92. And I will receive 1224.4 Tron to my wallet. So now scroll down. Enter Tron wallet. Now I entering my Tron wallet address and enter email address. Give an email address. Now select and preview. These all are the details. Check it once again carefully and enter security code. Then again click on submit data. Now it's directed to perfect money. Now click on make payment. Now enter your details and click on preview payment. Now enter code from email. Now submit. So my payment preview, check it once and confirm payment. Click on confirm payment. Select your account and click on confirm payment. So my payment has been completed. I sent my $92 USD. Okay guys, So I received one email. Open this link and check your details. See there, your payment status successful, order status completed. Okay guys, my payment is successful from this exchanger. Now see there guys, I received Tron 1227 to my FirstPay wallet. This is my micro wallet FirstPay. So I received Tron to my wallet. Okay guys. So see there, I received Tron. Okay guys, thank you.